Hi, welcome to interview.com. I'll continue the previous video which talks about 3 years, 5 years, 7 years experience core Java interview questions. So I have already talked about 10 interview questions. So I'm going to continue with that remaining 10 questions. Okay. The 11th question will be write a simple Java program for producer consumer problem. They'll say there is a single writer and there are multiple readers. How do you design? Okay, you should immediately write a code which has wait and notify all these APIs. Okay, so you should know this. The 12th question will be, can we catch error runtime exception? Error, can we catch error? They'll ask you. Yes, you can catch error. You can throw error. The error and runtime exception does not apply to handle or declare rule. You can throw runtime exception and you don't have to handle it. Even if you handle, compile doesn't bother. If you don't handle also, it doesn't bother. If you handle also, it doesn't bother. So compile doesn't cry. But for other exceptions, it cries. If you're throwing it, you should handle it in the callee. Okay, so can we catch error? Yes, you can catch error. Is Java pass by value or pass by reference? Okay, so this is very important question. You should know. For example, int x here, calc x here. Okay, I'm passing it here. X, I'm making it 20. What will happen here? They'll ask you. So the answer will be 10 because you're just copying. You're sending a copy of. You're sending a just copy of this value. You're not sending the exact reference. Okay, so here the value is changed, but here it remains same. So this shows that Java is passed by value and Java is not passed by reference. The answer will be 10. How many, 14th question, how many stack frames will be created in the following program? Display, okay, here display 1 and display 2. Please remember, for each method a new stack frame will be created. Okay, though we are calling from display 1 and display 2. So for each method call, a stack frame will be created to store the local variables, to handle the local variables. The remaining 6 questions are here for 5 years, 7 years experience core Java interview, where the static variables, instance variables, local variables are stored. Heap or stack, you should know where it is stored. You should be in a position to explain garbage collection. Explain garbage collection. What exactly it does. Can I enforce the garbage collection? Okay, what is finalized method? How it is related to garbage collection? So you should be in a position to explain garbage collection. 17th, what is unreachable object? You created object, say circle, new of circle, and set some values and say c is equal to null. So the reference becomes null. The object is unreachable. Okay, what are the access modifiers for class and methods? You should say public for methods, public, protected, and private. Okay, what is the use of that? Public, it is visible for all the classes outside the package, inside the package. Private, within the class it is available. Protected, only for subclasses and within the package. Okay, so you should know the access modifiers for class and methods. What is the difference between abstract class and interface? When to use what? You should have a proper answer for this question. What happens if a superclass, the 20th question and the last question for this video, what happens if a superclass does not implement serializable whereas subclass implements serializable? What happens? So superclass instance variable will be serialized when I call serialized. When I serialize an object, what happens? So you should know answer for this question, which is a tricky question. You know about what is the serialization, but what happens if a superclass does not implement but the subclass implements? What happens exactly is, for superclass, if it does not implement serializable, its constructor will be called whenever deserialization happens. For subclass which implements serializable, proper serialization, deserialization will happen. Okay, so you should know this answer. Hope this video is useful for your interview preparation. If you are 3 years, 5 years, 7 years of experience in core Java, please listen to this video, watch this video, prepare these questions, and be ready to present answer for for present the answer for your Java interview. Okay, hope this video was useful. For more Java interview questions, log on to interview.com, India's top interview guide. Okay, this is a video from interview.com team. All the best for your interview. Thank you.